Hi, and welcome to our channel. We're Fiona and Matt, and we love to travel and share our experiences with you. In this series, we leave our home base of Boston and go west. If you're just joining us, so far we had a great time in Las Vegas, where we took in the sights and sounds. Then we made our way out to Zion National Park, where we stayed in an auto camp. Now we're headed to one of the most magnificent natural wonders in the U.S., the Grand Canyon. We hope you enjoy the video. This is the Colorado River. Whoa. Our first shot here of the Grand Canyon. We are almost to the lodge where we'll be staying for the night. Decided to stop and just take a peek, take it all in. Got a huge elk moving in front of us. We'll let him cross the street.
Hey you!
He's just moseying along. I don't let him mosey. There you go, fella. Hey!
You got a cute butt.
Just passing some elk on the side of the road. Hey guys. Hey fellas. Hey. How you doing? Doing good. Let me show you the inside real quick. Here's the outdoor seating area of the lodge that we're staying at. Here's kind of the outside of it. Got a really cool adobe building over there. That's the name of our lodge, El Torvar. Hey. I'll take you inside and show you what it looks like. Supposedly, Teddy Roosevelt shot one of the animals' heads on the wall. I think it was this moose over here. As you can see, there's some really interesting things on the walls. But it's beautiful. It's kind of like a gigantic log cabin with stores on either side to get tourist stuff. Fiona's over there sitting by the fire. Hey, babe. Fireplace. That's the moose he shot? Very cool. And here is they have a cocktail bar. Some more touristy shop here. Local arts and crafts. It's a really cool cocktail lounge that we've been to once or twice. And then we're on the 3rd floor, so there's no elevators because this place was built in like 1901 or 1910 or something. I'll put it at the bottom. But it's all stairs all the way up. Very cool. Toast to your birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you. That looks fantastic. Cheers.
Cheers.
How was your sleep last night?
Excellent.
So we're out just checking the lodges close by and thought we'd dip into the Bright Angel Lodge and see what that looks like. Wow, pretty cool.
The only remaining building from the early pioneer settlement era, built on this site in 1895 by William Owen Buckley.
Alright folks, we're going to walk along the Rim Trail. We're just outside the back of our lodge right now. Here's where we're staying. We're going to walk and see what we can see. This is the Rim Trail, which we are doing. Here we are. It goes for 14 miles. Welcome to the Trail of Time, a geology timeline. Walk 2 billion years of Grand Canyon history. See the touch samples of Grand Canyon rocks. Discover their ages. Oh wow. It would be creepy to be hiking down the canyon too. All the rock fall. Alright, we just walked the Trail of Time. You've covered 2 billion years of Grand Canyon history and seen where people fit into that history. Walk on to the Yapavani, I think that's right, Geology Museum. Think about the future of humans and the Grand Canyon. Here's the Geology Museum.
Not studied in individual areas. We actually have to take a look and study the geology that's happening in surrounding areas as well. And so when the Colorado Plateau got pushed up, when we got pushed up, it also pushed up parts of Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and Arizona, all at the same time, but not at the same height. So when you visit Arches, Canyonland, Zion, Bryce, Capitol Reef, Cedar Breaks, Coral Pink Sand Dunes, each of them is offering a glimpse into the story that we don't have anymore. All of us together, the whole entire Colorado Plateau, can piece together so much more of the story that each part does. We all kind of work.
Very pretty. Oh, sorry. I insult you.
That's cool. So we decided to stop in Williams, just outside of the Grand Canyon, to grab some lunch and just kind of walk around and check it out. It's right on Route 66, so thought we would kind of poke around and see what there was to see in the city. We're just waiting for one of the restaurants that we want to go to open up, but just wanted to show it to you a little bit.
Zoltar is here to give you the wisdom of the ancients. Do with it what you will. Destiny is not a matter of chance. It is a matter of choice. It is not a thing to be waited for. It is a thing to be achieved. Create your destiny wisely, my friend, and surrender a bit more wealth for more instruction from Zoltar.
Telling me the queen of preparation here.
Check out the Hoover Dam from this observation bridge, but it's kind of like an observation bridge and highway, so we're gonna see what it's about. As you can see, it's pretty far. And here is the bridge that we just walked over. Now we're going down to the dam. About to drive across the Hoover Dam.
Oh, those are cool.
What? Oh, statues? Oh yeah. Wow. Oh, maybe not. But maybe.
I take pedestrian safety very seriously.
There's an old exhibition building. We're over the Hoover Dam, everybody. Damn. Feels pretty magical. See if I can get a raised perception. How'd you feel about that? Did that meet your expectations?
It's just an engineering,
Engineering marvel?
marvel. Thank you.
Hey everybody, so we have concluded our trip and we are at the airport and we are currently in the Centurion Lounge, just kind of hanging out, watching some YouTube stuff, and we're just kind of eating. So I'll kind of give you a quick tour of the place, and then we'll be boarding our flight headed to Boston. So one of the cool things about these lounges, the Centurion Lounge, is the shower. So I'm going to go try it out. Okay, so here we are inside the Centurion Lounge shower. We got a cool shower here with plenty of amenities. We have a toilet, obviously, and we have a little, sink. I'm going to take a shower and I'm going to see how this is, and I'll let you know. So I have to say, this is the first time I've ever showered in an airport, so this is quite a unique experience. I have to say that's one of the best and first airport showers I've ever had. Okay, here we go. All fresh and ready to go and get our flight. Here we go, folks. We're gonna board our flight to Boston. It's about 9:08 p.m. So it's a red eye, but excited about flying first class again. So stay tuned. Or we'll see you soon. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, go down there and hit that like button. And until next time, safe travels.